Okay, class, so we are wrapping up our 13 original colonies. And what you are going to do is you are going to create an informative and engaging lesson to present to your class. Yes, you are getting up and you are going to speak in front of your class. So we are going to be using the platform of Spiral. We've used Spiral in class, so all of you know how it works. We've done some lessons together. You already have your student login. When you log in, you're going to create a presentation. So here's your rubric. You can see it posted on the screen. And it specifically states you may use quick fire light, discuss, and clip. If you decide that you don't think that you can speak in front of your class comfortably, then by all means create a video. But the video has to be you. It can't be something pre-made. So you may go ahead and pre-record your presentation and insert that into your Spiral. Your colony choices are to be within the original 13 colonies that we have been studying. If you have any other issues or questions, you can go ahead and ask. One of the things that you notice is that on the Spiral that I'm going to go through with you is that I used a comparison of Jamestown and Plymouth. You can go ahead and do that. Just make sure that you come and tell me that's what you're intending on doing so that I know that you didn't just go rogue and do something on your own. So like I said, you can use quick fire light, you can use discuss, and you can use clip. We are not going to be collaborating. We're not going to be teaming up with a buddy for this. This is an individual project. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. I did a quick fire light. So what you do is when you want to create your lesson, so say you want to go ahead and use quick fire light, you can go ahead and add just any class. So you would put what your class is, but this is what it's going to look like when you want your class to go ahead and start. But if you're wanting to create a quick fire or a quick fire light, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the home and you are going to create one of these. So you can pick quick fire and create one. You can do whatever you want. I will show you what I created with my quick fire light, and I will tell you that it was very easy. It's very user friendly. So you just create an activity and you create a question. So when you hit create a question, you can do an open question where you can put whatever you want. So for me, I did an open question of what drew immigrants to make the long journey to an unknown land. Now, this is an open question. So when your classmates go to answer, it's going to be able to pop up on the screen. Now, if you wanted to do, say, a poll, you would go ahead and click poll. And on this one, you can see that I said, do you feel the original colonists knew how difficult it would be that they would still come to America? And I gave options. So you would have a poll. Then there's Canvas. Where would you fit in as a colonist? Draw yourself. So you have the ability to have your classmates draw a picture. Then you can put a picture and say, this is the picture of Plymouth. Give me a fact that made them successful. I did the same thing with Jamestown, but I asked what are ways that they struggled. So you have a lot of options. Then you have the audio of compare and contrast, and they can talk their answer into it. So you can see that Quickfire Light has a lot of options for you to go ahead and do whatever you want to do for your class. Discuss is more of an interactive presentation. We've done a lot of these before together in class. So all of the ones, though, I will say, do offer a tutorial. If you don't know how to quickly use it, you can go ahead and do that. You guys are pretty tech savvy. You're a little bit more savvy than your teacher is. So I'm fairly certain that you will be able to do just fine. Your rubric is attached to this lesson, and you will see right here, it shows how you're earning your points. I would print this rubric out and make sure that you have it when you're creating your lesson to make sure that you're checking all the boxes to make sure that you get as many points as possible. Like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in class and we will go ahead and get this worked out. I am so excited to see how you guys do and what you come up with.